Hello everyone, we are from Streamway Technologies. Today I am going to show you AI based driver drowsiness detection and gaze tracking system. It is a smart safety system that helps prevent road accidents caused by sleepy or distracted drivers. It uses a webcam to continuously monitor the driver's face and eyes in real time. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location and type python manage.py run. Copy this address and paste it on any browser. So this is our project's index page. This project has three modules: admin, model builder and user. So let's see what are the functionalities of admin. Credentials are admin and admin. This is admin's dashboard. In this project, admin uploads the dataset and these are the dataset stats. It has two classes, drowsy and neutral, and drowsy has 157 images and neutral has 166 images, total 323 images. So these are the sample dataset previews of two classes, drowsy and neutral. And admin can view all the users who are registered, and admin can also view all the feedbacks. And log out. And next module is model builder. This is a code part of our project. Model builder pre-process and train the data. Model builder can view all the datasets and can pre-process this data. These are our pre-processing steps. These are the original dataset stats and pre-processed data stats. And after pre-processing, the data looks like this. With this pre-processed data, admin trains the model. So we have trained the model and we got 87% accuracy and 95% F1 score, and training time is 50 seconds. These are the detailed preview of training stats, and you can also view all the graphs here. And log out. And next module is user. User need to register first. As I have registered, I can log in immediately with my credentials. So this is the user's dashboard. User can predict the driver's drowsiness by uploading an image. Here I am uploading a drowsy image and the model predicted it as drowsy. If I upload another image, so here you can see it predicted accurately. And next module, next feature is live predict. In this feature, the model can predict whether the driver is closing their eyes or not, and if the driver closes their eyes for a long time, it plays an alarm. Or if the driver look in different direction, it means the driver is not paying attention, so it will predict as drowsy. Here the system predicts whether the driver eyes are open or closed. So if the driver eyes are closed for long period, for 5 seconds, more than 5 seconds, so it will play an alarm. So as my eyes are open and I am looking straight, so it is predicting as neutral. So if I close my eyes for more than 5 seconds, it will detect as drowsy and play an alarm. Okay. So if I look somewhere else, so it will play an alarm. Okay. And user can also give a feedback to admin as well.